Nestled along the French Riviera, Monaco is a captivating blend of opulence and natural splendor. This tiny principality, renowned for its glamorous casinos and world-class events, also harbors hidden pockets of tranquility. Monaco's allure lies in its ability to seamlessly combine excitement and serenity. From the vibrant streets of Monte Carlo to the tranquil shores of Larvotto Beach, Monaco offers a sensory journey unlike any other. Imagine a place where the deep blue Mediterranean laps gently against rugged cliffs. Picture lush gardens teeming with exotic flora, perched above a harbor filled with luxurious yachts. Monaco is a place that stimulates the senses and soothes the soul. It's a destination that invites you to indulge in life's pleasures while embracing moments of quiet contemplation. Monaco's charm extends beyond its physical beauty. It's a place steeped in history, culture, and a vibrant joie de vivre. Whether you seek adventure or relaxation, Monaco promises an unforgettable experience. Come, discover the magic of this Mediterranean gem. Monte Carlo, the heart of Monaco, pulsates with an exhilarating energy. Known for its legendary casino and high-end boutiques, Monte Carlo is a playground for the elite. Yet, amidst the glamour, pockets of serenity exist. Marvel at its ornate ceilings, crystal chandeliers, and manicured gardens. Find respite in the nearby Japanese garden, a meticulously designed oasis. Stroll along Port Hercules, lined with magnificent yachts bobbing in the azure waters. Monte Carlo offers a captivating blend of luxury and serenity. Perched atop a rocky promontory, Monaco Ville, also known as the Rock, transports visitors to a bygone era. This historic quarter, Monaco's oldest district, is a labyrinth of narrow cobblestone streets and charming pastel-colored buildings. Explore its winding alleys, each turn revealing hidden squares and breathtaking views of the Mediterranean. At the heart of Monaco Ville stands the Prince's Palace, the official residence of the Grimaldi family. Witness the daily changing of the guard ceremony, a tradition steeped in history. Step inside the palace during its open season to marvel at its opulent state apartments and Renaissance frescoes. Nearby, the Monaco Cathedral with its Romanesque Byzantine architecture offers a place of peace and reflection. Discover the Oceanographic Museum perched dramatically on the cliffside. Explore its vast collection of marine life, from delicate jellyfish to fearsome sharks. Lose yourself in the museum's underwater world, a testament to Prince Albert I's passion for oceanography. Monaco Ville, with its historical significance and timeless charm, offers a captivating glimpse into the principality's rich past. Escape the glamour of Monte Carlo and ascend to the Jardin Exotique, a botanical paradise above the city. This garden showcases the beauty and diversity of the natural world. Wander through its paths, marveling at over 1,000 species of succulents. The Jardin Exotique is a feast for the senses. Inhale the fragrance of exotic blooms and admire their unique shapes. Enjoy panoramic views of the Mediterranean Sea, a breathtaking backdrop. The Jardin Exotique offers a unique escape from city life. Section 5, Larvotto Beach, sun, sand, and azure waters. Indulge in the Mediterranean lifestyle at Larvotto Beach, Monaco's pristine stretch of golden sand. This man-made beach with its calm, crystal-clear waters is an oasis of relaxation. Lounge on a sunbed beneath the warm Mediterranean sun, listening to the gentle lapping of the waves. Take a refreshing dip in the inviting waters, perfect for swimming and water sports. For the adventurous, try your hand at jet skiing, paddleboarding, or kayaking. Enjoy a leisurely lunch at one of the beachside restaurants, savoring freshly caught seafood with a view. As the day winds down, witness the sky erupt in a kaleidoscope of colors during a spectacular sunset over the Mediterranean. Larvotto Beach offers the perfect setting to unwind, soak up the sun, and immerse yourself in the beauty of the Côte d'Azur. Section 6, Oceanographic Museum, unveiling the wonders of the deep. Embark on an underwater adventure at the Oceanographic Museum, a masterpiece of architecture perched dramatically on the cliffside of Monaco Ville. Founded by Prince Albert I, a pioneering oceanographer, the museum is home to a vast collection of marine life and artifacts. Explore the museum's diverse exhibits, showcasing the beauty and fragility of the ocean realm. Marvel at the vibrant coral reefs, home to a dazzling array of fish, crustaceans, and invertebrates. Come face to face with sharks, sea turtles, and other marine creatures in the museum's impressive aquarium. Learn about the history of oceanography, and the importance of marine conservation through interactive displays and educational programs. The Oceanographic Museum is not just a museum. It's a center for research, conservation, and education, dedicated to protecting our oceans for future generations. Section 7. The thrill of the Grand Prix and scenic drives. Experience the adrenaline rush of the Monaco Grand Prix, one of the most prestigious events in motorsports. Every May, the streets of Monte Carlo transform into a thrilling race circuit, attracting the world's best drivers and motorsport enthusiasts. Witness the roar of engines as Formula One cars navigate the challenging twists and turns of this iconic street circuit. The atmosphere is electric, with fans from around the globe lining the track, cheering on their favorite drivers. Even outside of the Grand Prix, Monaco's scenic roads offer an exhilarating driving experience. Rent a luxury car and cruise along the winding coastal roads, taking in breathtaking views of the Mediterranean. Drive the famous Corniche roads, which offer panoramic vistas of the French Riviera and the Italian coastline. Whether you're a motorsport enthusiast or simply enjoy a scenic drive, Monaco's roads promise an unforgettable experience. Section 8. Port Hercules, a tranquil haven at sunset. As the day draws to a close, head to Port Hercules, Monaco's historic harbor, and witness nature's masterpiece unfold. The sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant hues as the sun dips below the horizon, casting a golden glow on the surrounding landscape. Find a comfortable spot along the harbor front and watch as the sky erupts in a kaleidoscope of colors, from fiery oranges and reds to soft pinks and purples. The tranquil waters of the harbor reflect the sky's fiery hues, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. Luxurious yachts, their silhouettes outlined against the glowing sky, bob gently in the harbor, adding to the magical ambiance. Port Hercules at sunset is a time for reflection, a moment to appreciate the beauty of the natural world and the serenity that it offers. It's a perfect way to end a day of exploring Monaco's many attractions. Section 9. Monaco by night, a sparkling spectacle. As darkness descends, Monaco undergoes a magical transformation, its skyline ablaze with twinkling lights. The city's iconic landmarks, bathed in a warm glow, take on a new dimension, their architectural details highlighted against the night sky. Stroll along the harbor front where the reflections of city lights dance on the water's surface. The air is alive with the sound of music and laughter as people gather in outdoor cafes and restaurants enjoying the vibrant nightlife. Head to the casino square where the Monte Carlo Casino, aglow in a blaze of lights, continues to captivate visitors with its timeless elegance. The gardens surrounding the casino are illuminated with strategically placed lights, creating a magical ambiance. Monaco by night is a symphony of lights, sounds, and energy, a testament to the principality's glamorous spirit. Section 10. A journey for the senses and the soul. Monaco is more than just a destination, it's a sensory journey, an experience that engages all five senses. From the moment you arrive, you're enveloped in a world of beauty, luxury, and excitement. The sights, sounds, scents, tastes, and textures of Monaco combine to create an unforgettable experience. Imagine the feel of the warm Mediterranean sun on your skin as you stroll along Larvotto Beach, the soft sand between your toes. Picture the vibrant colors of the exotic flowers in the Jardin Exotique, their sweet fragrance filling the air. Recall the taste of fresh seafood, savored at a waterfront restaurant, the salty tang of the sea breeze enhancing every bite. Monaco is a place that awakens the senses and nourishes the soul. It's a destination that invites you to indulge in life's pleasures, to embrace beauty in all its forms, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. Section 11. Monaco awaits. Embrace the extraordinary. Monaco beckons, a destination that transcends expectations. It's a place where dreams are made and cherished, where the ordinary fades into the extraordinary. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, Monaco promises an experience unlike any other. Lose yourself in the glamour of Monte Carlo, wander through the historic streets of Monaco Ville, or find tranquility in the Jardin Exotique. Explore the underwater world at the Oceanographic Museum, feel the thrill of the Grand Prix, or unwind on the shores of Larvotto Beach. Monaco invites you to embrace life to the fullest, to create memories that will last a lifetime. Come, discover the magic that awaits in this extraordinary corner of the world.